Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Engineers Review. In the recent time, we have noticed that many companies as well as tech bloggers are claiming that tablet can replace your laptop soon. And it has been noticed that the market share of tablets in 2020 has grown by over 20%. So here, we brought you guys a full detailed comparison between a laptop and a tablet. For a fair comparison, we have considered Samsung Tab S7 Plus and HP Pavilion 15CS3006TX, where many people have a common confusion that which one is more valuable for money. So to overcome this confusion, watch this video till the end. The Samsung Tab S7 Plus has full metal body with flat side edges which definitely feels premium. The Tab S7 Plus weighs 575 grams with 5.7mm thickness, which is quite lighter and slimmer as compared to laptops and really comfortable to hold. On the right sides, you get a power button with volume rockers, and it has 4 speakers, 2 are on the top and 2 are on the bottom side with a USB-C port. Now let's get to the design of HP Pavilion notebook. It has a metal-like finish body which gives this laptop a premium look and feel. But in terms of weight, this device weighs around 1.8 kg with 18 mm of thickness, which is almost 3 times heavier and thicker than Samsung Tab S7 Plus. Hence, laptop somewhere lags behind in the term of portability as compared to the tablets. Display is the section that can enhance the experience of user, and Samsung Tab S7 Plus did it really well with a 120Hz Super AMOLED 12.4-inch 2K screen, which looks exceptionally smooth with excellent viewing angles, and this device has on-screen fingerprint scanner as well. So your experience while browsing the web, watching Netflix or playing games is going to be awesome. On the other hand, HP Pavilion 15CS3006TX comes with 15.6 SAV Full HD Plus anti-glare display, which is definitely bigger than Tab S7 Plus. But in this case, size doesn't matter at all. Super AMOLED display and 120Hz display, where again Samsung Tab S7 Plus is the clear winner. Tab S7 Plus comes with the main 13MP f2.0 rear camera and a 5MP wide-angle camera. Also with 8MP front camera which captures decent images. You can easily attend online classes and meetings without a fail. Now the HP Pavilion 15CS3006TX has a webcam of just 720p resolution, same as most of the laptops. It captures average quality of images and videos. So again, Tab S7 Plus tend to have an upper hand in this section. Now performance is the category where laptop takes lead in the terms of more productivity, multitasking and capability of handling heavy softwares, etc. The HP Pavilion 15CS3006TX comes with the latest 10th gen Intel i5 CPU coupled with NVIDIA MX250 GPU, which makes this laptop a complete package for the users like students, content creators, business workers, etc. But it doesn't mean that Samsung Tab S7 Plus has a poor performance. It has one of the best and latest Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, so this product will not let you down in terms of performance, for example web surfing, multitasking and casual gaming, etc. Tab S7 Plus would probably outperform a low-end laptop with ease. However, laptops like HP Pavilion 15CS3006TX offers better performance and productivity. So the laptop is going to be a better option in terms of performance and productivity as compared to a tablet. User interface and operating system is the category where things get complicated, because both tablet and laptops have their own operating systems that are totally different. Samsung Tab S7 Plus runs on Android 10 with Samsung's latest One UI version 2.5. The experience is same as of the other Samsung smartphones. It carries all features and specifications, but in addition, Samsung DeX is the highlighting feature in Tab S7 Plus, which creates a desktop-like environment that is more valuable to productivity. The main feature of DeX is that you can run multiple apps at same time in separate windows. Honestly speaking, mobile operating systems like Android and iOS are easy to use, but the apps are bound to be missing many features compared to their PC versions. On the other hand, desktop operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, etc. provides more features in the same software. Hence, this is the main reason why tablets need more improvements to become a perfect substitution for a laptop. If we ever talk about a portable device, the battery backup plays most important role, and Samsung Tab S7 Plus stands tall with 10,090 mAh of battery, which is capable enough to give you a 13 to 14 hours of battery backup. And also, this tablet supports 45 watt of fast charging. The HP Pavilion 15CS3006TX comes with a 3-cell battery with only 4 to 5 hours of battery backup, which is definitely very low as compared to Tab S7 Plus. Because the desktop OS is more power hungry than the mobile OS. Also, CPU in tablet generates less heat. But still, if we talk about which device can last long, the tablet is the winner. Customers are more eager to know about the storage capacity, which is highly important factor to consider any product. Samsung Tab S7 Plus is available in 128GB storage with 6GB of RAM and 8GB of RAM with 256GB and 512GB storage. Also memory expandable to 1TB, which is more than enough for a tablet because mobile operating systems and apps don't take much memory space. HP Pavilion 15CS3006TX has hybrid storage of 256GB NVMe SSD plus 1TB HDD coupled with 8GB of RAM, and it also have more upgradability options. Hence, both the product has enough storage and RAM to get things done. Now let's conclude this comparison with some pros and cons. Starting with the cons of laptop. Laptops are heavier than tablets and less portable. Camera quality is very low. Battery backup is also very low as compared to the tablet. Pros of laptop. Laptops have more power than tablets and can easily run multiple heavy programs simultaneously. Connectivity options are way more than the tablets. More RAM and storage upgradability options compared to the tablets. Let's see some cons of tablets. More expenses than laptop, for example external keyboard, OTG for connections, etc. Not able to run heavy softwares and games. Pros of tablet. Better display with high pixel density as compared to laptops. Impressive battery backup. More portable cause it's 3 to 4 times lighter than the laptop. Finally, we came to a conclusion that both devices are designed very differently to get things done on their own terms and conditions. Hence, if you are looking for a device for browsing the web, watching videos, entry-level designing, casual gaming, then a tablet like Samsung Tab S7 Plus is going to be a perfect choice. But if you need a proper setup or workstation and want to work on heavy softwares such as Adobe Photoshop, AutoCAD and want to play high-end games as well, we'll suggest a laptop instead, with better combination of a GPU and CPU. We have mentioned some best buy links of tablets and laptops in the description box below. You can check it out. So what would you choose? More portable, easy to use tablet or high performance laptop? Let us know in the comment section. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel Engineers Review. And for more tech information, you can check out our previous videos and can follow us on Instagram. Bye bye and take care.